In this video, I'm going to find the general solution of the ODE y prime prime minus 2y prime plus y is equals to 0. What we are given there is a second order ODE with constant coefficients. It is of the form a2 multiplied by y prime prime plus a1 multiplied by y prime plus a0 multiplied by y is equals to 0, where a0, a1 and a2 they are constants. To solve equations of this form, we first have to find the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation of this equation is given by a2 multiplied by m squared plus a1 multiplied by m plus a0 is equals to 0. So we can now go on and compare these two equations there. Look at the coefficient of y prime prime. Here it's an a2, here it's a 1. So by comparison, we see that our a2 is equals to 1. Look at the coefficients of y prime. Here it's an a1, here it's a minus 2. So we see that our a1 there is a minus 2. Look at the coefficients of y. Here is a0, here it's a 1. So we have our a0 there is a 1. So substitute these values of a0, a1 and a2 into the auxiliary equation that we have here. So we would have that the auxiliary equation of this equation here is m squared minus 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. The next step is to find the roots of this auxiliary equation, because those roots will determine the nature of the solution that we would have. So we can try to find two numbers which when we multiply them they give us a 1. When we add them they give us a minus 2. Those numbers are minus 1 and minus 1. So we can factorize this one here to m minus 1 squared is equals to 0. We go on and so for m there, so we would have m is having a repeated root, m is equals to 1 twice. So we're having two roots, m1, m2 is equals to 1. When we have a repeated root, then the general solution of the given ODE is given by y of x is equals to c1 plus c2 multiplied by x exponent of m multiplied by x. But in this case, we are saying that our m there is the 1 which we found here. So substitute the value of 1 where we have m here. So our general solution becomes y is equals to c1 plus c2 multiplied by x multiplied by exponent of x. So what we are having here, this is the general solution of this ODE here.